baking. I like cooking, baking, and making cookies and cakes and candies and more. My favorite place is the kitchen space. I love to put a smile on every face.
The first thing we need is a recipe,
A large wooden spoon and a mixing bowl. Then a cube of butter.
be careful with those eggs,
The flour and the sugar.
And look, I spilled some on my legs.
Mix in the cinnamon, mix in the spice. Drip it in vanilla, makes everything so nice. So stick your finger in and take a little taste. Lick the spoon, lick the bowl, and nothing go to waste.
Do I like to bake?